Alright guys, so we're about to do a science experiment with the kids. I have some cups filled with some just white vinegar, and then I added some food coloring to them to make them different colors, and we're going to do baking soda in them to see what happens. This is just baking soda mixed with just a little bit of water, so it's like a, I don't know, like a pasty substance. But yeah, we're just gonna plop those into the cups and they're gonna see what happens as a result. Alright, so Hunter's gonna take a scoop of this, the baking soda and water, and put it in the cup. Go ahead, let's see what happens. Alright, here, put it in the cup. Whoa! Is that cool? Was that cool, Pax? Yeah, now it's going down. Oh, you want to do the pink one? Okay, we could do the pink one. We'll do the pink one like Paxton wants. Alright? Alright, here we go. Let's put it in the pink. Oh, there it goes! Wow!
Well, a pink uphold.
Alright, let's try the green one. Let's see if the green one explodes. No, don't touch the cup. Wow, there it goes! That's cool, huh? You want to do the yellow one again?
Yeah.
Let's see if the yellow one will explode. Maybe try a big scoop. There you go. Put that in there. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it exploded. Now all of the colors exploded. Is that a cool science experiment? You like it too? You gotta chew those cranberries up. Yeah, let's do it again. So yeah, guys, I would really recommend like a tray or something with a rim on it, or even like a tub or something, just in case they do explode. Go ahead. Okay, what are we doing today?
Counting and putting pom-poms.
We're counting and putting pom-poms on our little ladybug, or not ladybugs, caterpillars. Hey! The boys are sick today, so we're stuck inside doing some indoor activities. Yeah. So we're gonna do a learning activity with counting. Paxton has 1 through 5, and Hunter has 5 through 9. Not 9, 10. So he has 5 through 10. So we're just gonna work on this for now. And then maybe we'll do a letter activity later. You like the pom-poms? Pom-pom? What number are you counting, Hunter?
I don't know.
Well, what number is this?
7.
7. Good job. We need one more. Good job. And you're matching colors, huh?
Pink and red on the one I need to put on.
Oh, good job.
Where's that? I can't find that.
Well, I only made the faces and the numbers black. Oh, so you put the black pom-pom on their face? That's silly. Paxton, do you want to count? Look, can you say 1?
Hey.
Can you say 2? Say
I need some
2.
more back.
Can you say 2? 2. Can you say 3? Look, here's 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. Alright, Hunter is almost done. And we just need to finish the blue 9. 3. 4. Uh-oh. Mr. Paxton here.
Some extra.
Yeah, we got some extra blue ones. That's alright. Good job, Hunter.
Some extra purple.
So what's our numbers here?
12, 6, 7, 8,
9.
10.
Good job. And what kind of colors do we use?
Pink ones and red and green, blue, and purple.
Good job. Did you have fun with this activity? Yeah, I think it was fun. And Paxton kind of just trailed off and colored on his sheet, so. But it was fun. What are we playing with?
Playdough.
Play-Doh. Are you playing with Play-Doh? Yeah? So yes, in this portion of the video we did play with Play-Doh. All of their store-bought Play-Doh got all hard and old, so we had to throw it away. So I decided to make some homemade Play-Doh for them, and they actually love playing with it. It's very similar to the store-bought Play-Doh. So Play-Doh is a good and fun indoor rainy day activity to do too, huh? Oh my goodness. It was fairly easy to make. If you'd like, I will leave the recipe that I used down in the description box. So if you want to make your own homemade Play-Doh instead of going out and buying Play-Doh all the time, because I know how fast it can get left out and get hard and old. So I'll leave the recipe down in the description. Make sure to go check it out and make your own Play-Doh and let me know how it turned out. You can do all sorts of different colors. And yeah, they have fun with it. I made this like, I don't even know, 2 or 3 months ago, and it's still very soft and playable. Playable, is that even a word? But you keep it in a sandwich bag or airtight container and it'll last. So what you see here is a little DIY project that I did for the kids to play with. It's a little learning activity with counting and whatnot. All you would need is popsicle sticks, some foam pieces, googly eyes, and then like a marker or a Sharpie. So I'm going to show you a number, and then you're going to try to find a monster that has the right number eyes, okay? So what I did first was I took the popsicle sticks and I wrote numbers on them. And then I took the foam pieces and I cut out little shapes and different funny shapes and whatnot. Okay, so what's this number? 7. So which monster has 7 eyes?
That's in front of me.
Are you sure? Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's only 5 eyes. So where's the monster that has 7 eyes?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
So that's the monster that has 7 eyes. Let's look where on the bottom. No. Like this. Put this and here. This side. The number needs to be on the bottom. There we go. Like that. And I just use googly eyes. All of them have googly eyes. And they're all different amount of googly eyes on each one. It's practically just 2 pieces of foam. And then I glue those together with a little sticks with popsicle stick in there. And then yeah, it's just a linear activity on counting, and it just helps them recognize what the number looks like, and then actually counting how many eyes are on each monster head. And I just realized I forgot to draw mouths on the monsters, but that's okay. The point of this is to learn counting. So here's all the monsters that I made. Like I said, just different shapes. I only went up to number 8 because that's how many popsicle sticks I had at the time, but I do want to actually know to make it 10. Say cheese!
I'm gonna take one away.
Here is one last activity that we did on a rainy day. I got this map for them on Christmas, so it's been quite a while since then, but I knew they wouldn't be able to really use it or play the game until about now, where Hunter has learned his numbers and now we're trying to teach him simple addition and subtraction and just math in general. So with this game, it is adding. So you spin the dice and then there's numbers on the mat, and you have to add the number that's on the dice to the number that your player piece is on the mat, and then move that many spaces. So that is what we're doing now, and it does take a lot of patience if you have a stubborn child like mine. He's not really a fan of learning too much, especially if he's just not interested, but I just take it slow and I work with him. The only struggle we have with this game is Paxton loves to play with that dice popping machine thing, so yeah, we just have to make sure he shares it and I let him know what sharing is and whatnot. So that's our only struggle. If you have younger kids and you want to play this game, maybe play it during nap or something in a different room, but with our situation we can't do that at the moment, so we just play it together with him, and it's all just one big learning experience. I have realized over the years, or like the past year and a half, that there are certain games that have like an age limit, but you can always alter the game into the appropriate age that your child is and just make it fun in that way. Like we are doing here, Hunter got bored with adding, so we turn this game into, we spin the dice, see what number it is, and then count how many of that exact number is on the playmat. So like if there was 1, we counted all the 1s, we counted all the 5s, and so on and so forth. So you just have to alter it, and you can play any kind of game with your kid really, if you just make it age appropriate to them. But that is all I have for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed.